Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and these are the fair value gaps and the levels that we had drawn on the previous day. And it was a nice up move on a daily candle, and actually it gives a good green candle, a good green weekly candle for a close. Now let's move ahead and start with today's analysis. So what we do here basically is analyze Nifty on different time frames, starting from the monthly all the way down to the hourly time frame. So this is Nifty on a monthly time frame. It's turning out to be an interesting candle, the June candle. Um, is there a bias on Nifty here? There is no bias, so why is there no bias? Because for a bullish bias, there has to be higher lows created. For a bearish bias, there has to be lower highs created. There's nothing of that sort right here, right now, so the bias is not sure. There are two important levels though. This is where the major sellers are in Nifty. That's where Nifty had taken resistance, and this is where the major buyers are right now. So if Nifty decides to fall, it should be here. If Nifty decides to go up, then it should face some resistance here. But you see, this has been the sell side liquidity for 2 months now, and I do not know if there are no fresh sellers there, then Nifty might go higher. We don't know right now. Don't be too optimistic, is what I would say. Going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, it gave a nice green candle, but still, again, I'm not being too optimistic too early. And there is a fair value gap. This is all the buy side liquidity that has prevented Nifty from a big fall. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and for 5 weeks it had sustained. And this green candle that you see is 1 day's up move because of news that the Strait of Hormuz might ultimately open. So that is sort of factored now. It would need some fresh impetus, some fresh buying to come in to need to take Nifty higher. So that I believe the relief rally is may not be enough for Nifty to go above this level of sellers now. That's on the weekly time frame. Nifty is still bearish. There is a high here, that is a lower high there. So that Nifty is still bearish on the weekly time frame. Going over to the daily time frame, this here is where things have started getting interesting. This is a swing low, and this is slightly higher swing low, and that's why Nifty has become bullish on a daily time frame. So a low and a higher low makes Nifty bullish on a daily time frame. And important level to look for is this fair value gap. This is a sell side liquidity that we will walk into if Nifty actually goes higher. Now going over to the 4 hour time frame, Nifty is bullish, again a swing low and a higher low. Going over to the hourly time frame, and here again Nifty is not so easily bullish right here. You can see, look closely, this is a swing low, and this swing low was taken. So now we look at a swing high. There is a swing high, that swing high was also taken. So therefore, the bias is not sure. So we do not have a proper bias on an hourly time frame. The 4 hour and hourly is bullish. On a weekly time frame, it's bearish. On a monthly, it's not sure. So basically, Nifty is not quite sure where it should go. This knee-jerk reaction was market factoring the opening of Strait of Hormuz. If it does happen, mm, this is like market just trying to factor if it opens. But if it does indeed open, then maybe there could be a sell-off. And if it does not open, again, that could be a sell-off. So we are not quite sure. That's it from my side. Once again, I am not a certified analyst. I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.